Good morning, class. Fundamental theorem of integral calculus. If fx is continuous function on a comma b, closed interval a comma b, and capital Fx is any indefinite integral of fx, then integration of small fx from a to b is equal with respect to dx fb minus fa. A is lower limit of the function and b is upper limit. Now, for example, suppose we have to integrate one to 3. We have to integrate x square from interval 1 to 3. Means lower limit is 1, upper limit is 3. Then firstly we integrate this term, means we find the integration of small fx, which is capital Fx. Integration of x square is x cube by 3, limit 1 to 3, and we put upper limit in place of x in the integration of x square, means 3 cube by 3 minus lower limit in place of x in the integration of x square, and we have 27 minus 1, 26 by 3. It is the answer. Suppose we have to find the integration of 0 to 1 dx upon 1 plus x square. Then firstly we integrate this term 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. Then integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Limit is 0 to 1. Firstly we put upper limit in place of x, means tan inverse 1 minus lower limit tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse is 0, means answer is pi by 4. Suppose we have to find integration of zero to pi by 2 sin x. Then firstly we integrate sin x, we get minus cos x. Integration of sin x minus cos x, limit 0 to pi by 2. Put upper limit cos pi by 2 minus lower limit cos 0, and value of this term is equal to 1. Area as a definite integral. Let fx be a continuous function defined on A comma B, then the area bounded by curve y equal fx, x-axis and the ordinates x-axis and x equal a and x equal b is given by a equal a to b y dx or a to b fx dx. That is, if it is ox oy and it is curve y equal fx, then the area bounded by x equal a, x equal b, x-axis x equal a, x equal b, x-axis and y equal fx, means this area is given by a equal a to b y dx or a to b fx dx. It is first formula. Now the area bounded by curve x equal fy, the y-axis and the lines y equal a, y equal b is given by a equal a to b x dy or a equal a to b fy dy. That is, if it is ox oy and it is curve, this line is y equal a and it is y equal b, it is x equal fy and it is y axis, then the area bounded by y axis y equal a, y equal b and x equal fy is given by a equal a to b x dy. Now note point, if the curve fx lies below the x-axis, Then the area bounded by the curve y equal fx, the x-axis, and the lines x equal a comma x equal b is negative, and so area is given by a equal a to b mod of fx dx. Now it is question number first. Find the area between the curve y equal a to the power x, axis of x, and the ordinate x equal 0, x equal a. Given curve इस टाइप के जितने भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे, अगर उनमें हमें लिमिट दे रखी है x की, मीन्स रेंज दे रखी कि कहाँ से कहाँ तक एरिया फाइंड करना है, तब हमें डायग्राम बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. लेकिन अगर हमें रेंज नहीं दे रखी, मीन्स हमें लिमिट नहीं मालूम है, तो हमें डायग्राम बना के लिमिट फाइंड करनी होगी. तो यहाँ पर तो हमें लिमिट दे रखी है. देन गिवन कर्व y इक्वल ए टू द पावर x, एरिया bounded by the curve is equal a equal a to b fx dx. Then limit is a to b, means x equal 0 to a, it is 0 to a, lower limit 0, upper limit a. Function is e to the power x and dx, and integration of e to the power x is e to the power x 0 to a. Now we put upper limit, means e to the power a, minus lower limit e to the power 0, then it is e to the power a minus 1, and it is area. Now find the area bounded by the line x by a plus y by b equal 1 and the coordinate axis. अब इस क्वेश्चन में हमें लिमिट नहीं दे रखी, तो हमें इसका ग्राफ बनाना पड़ेगा. We know that x by a plus y by b is equation of line in intercept form. Then it cuts a intercept on x-axis and length of intercept b on y-axis. It is x by a plus y by b equal 1. This point is a comma 0, it is 0 comma 0, and it is 0 comma b. अब हम इसमें y इक्वल एफ एक्स करके भी x की लिमिट लेके फार्मूला लगा सकते हैं, या फिर x इक्वल एफ वाई कर्व मानकर y की लिमिट लेकर फार्मूला लगा सकते हैं. तो हम यहाँ x की लिमिट ले रहे हैं, मीन्स सपोज रेंज 0 टू a, x की वैल्यू 0 टू a, गिवन कर्व x by a plus y by b equal 1. Find the value of y from here. We have y equal b by a minus x. Now area bounded by x by a plus y by b equal 1 and coordinate axis. is a equal लिमिट a टू b मीन्स 0 टू a, हम x की लिमिट ले रहे हैं तो 0 टू a, अगर y की लिमिट लेते हैं तो 0 टू b, y dx, x की लिमिट ले रहे हैं तो y dx, अगर y की लिमिट लेते हैं तो x dy मीन्स तब हम यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू निकालते y की फॉर्म में, यहाँ पर y की वैल्यू x की फॉर्म में निकाली गई है, वैल्यू ऑफ y then b by a, integration of this term ax minus x square by 2 0 to a means a, integration of a is ax and integration of x is x square by 2. Now put the value of upper limit a square minus a square by 2 and lower limit which is 0. Then we have b by a into 2a square minus a square by 2, a cancel out, ab by 2 square unit.